Welcome to Money Compounding YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about Post Office Scheme Yojana, Yugal Suraksha, Postal Life Insurance, Joint Life Insurance Yugal Suraksha, explained by Money Compounding in detail. Let's start. Friends, first we discussed about Yugal Suraksha scheme features. Number 1. These schemes cover for life to both spouses, for husband and wife with a single premium. Number 2, it is a joint life assurance. Number 3, in this policy, minimum sum assured rupees 20,000 and maximum sum assured you can take 50 lakh rupees. It's your choice how much do you want to invest in this scheme. Number 4, you have to pay premium for 5 years or maximum 20 years. Number 5, you were able to take loan after 3 years of policy purchase. Number 6, if you are not able to pay the premium, then you can surrender after 3 years of policy purchase. Number 7, if you are surrendered before completion of 5 years, then you are not eligible for bonus. Number 8, proportionate bonus on reduced sum assured is paid if policy is surrendered. Number 9, post office last declared bonus rupees 52 per rupees 1000 of sum assured per year. Number 10, death benefits are paid to either of the survivors in the event of death of spouses or main policy holders. Now we will see eligibility for this scheme, Yugal Suraksha. To purchase this policy, one of the spouses should be eligible for given organizations. Let's see on the screen. Employees of the following organization are eligible for this scheme: state government or central government, defense services, Reserve Bank of India, nationalized bank, public sector undertaking, financial institution, government aided educational institution, extra departmental agent in Department of Post, employees engaged, appointed on contract basis by central and state governments where the contract is extendable, paramilitary forces, etc. Now let's see example for this policy. Suppose your present age is 25 years at the time of policy purchase and sum assured is 50 lakh rupees and premium paying term is 20 years. Then your monthly premium is 25,864. Quarterly premium is 77,591. Half yearly premium is 1,55,183 and yearly premium is 3,10,365 rupees. Now see tax for the first year premium with premium 4.5%. After first year premium with tax 2.25% till maturity. Now see bonus for first year 2,60,000. How to calculate for this scheme? Let's see on the screen. Sum assured into 52 divided by 1000. Then your bonus will be 2,60,000 rupees per year. Bonuses for 20 years. 2,60,000 into 20 equal to 52 lakhs. When your age will be 45 years, then your maturity will end and your maturity amount will be 1,20,000. Total bonus plus sum assured. Total bonus equal to 52 lakhs and plus sum assured 50 lakhs. 1 crore 20,000 will get you at maturity time. Now let's take another example for this policy. Suppose your present age is 25 years at the time of policy purchase and sum assured is 10 lakh rupees. Then your monthly premium is 5,177, quarterly rupees 15,518 rupees, half yearly 31,037 rupees, yearly 62,073 rupees with tax 4.5% first year. After first year tax will be 2.25%. And see here bonus rate 52 rupees per 1000 rupees of sum assured per year. Then your 52,000 bonus per year of sum assured 10 lakh. And bonus calculation for 20 years is 10 lakh 40,000 rupees. When your age will be 45 years, then your maturity will end and your maturity amount will be 20 lakh 40,000 rupees. For more details about this policy, please visit your nearest post office. Thank you.